As you know, Justice Stephen Breyer, one of the three liberals on the court, Congressman, the oldest justice on the court, came to speak to the New York Times D.C. bureau this week, and he warned against court expansion, saying if Democrats do it, Republicans will just do it back in the future. It's a common argument. What is your response to it?
Well, I appreciate that Justice Breyer is trying to promote a book that he has recently published. But the fact is, the Supreme Court has already been packed by Republicans. They packed it when they held a vacancy open for 14 months following the untimely death of Antonin Scalia. They packed it when they rushed through the confirmation of Amy Coney Barrett. We all remember that because it was just really last fall. And so the court has been packed. And the fact is, we have to stop the bleeding right now. We have a 6-3 majority that is hostile to democracy itself. And when we pass voting rights legislation, when we pass not just the John Lewis Voting Rights Act, but the For the People Act, which contains a set of transformative democracy reforms to strengthen our democracy, we won't have a situation where Republicans are winning national elections. It's why they are doing everything they can to disenfranchise people rather than offer policy proposals that meet the moment and that are popular with the American people. So I don't think we'll see a situation where Republicans are able to do anything with the Supreme Court moving forward. But bracketing that issue, it's no answer to why we shouldn't act right now to stop the assault on our democracy and the disenfranchisement of a variety of communities, not just in terms of voting rights, but in terms of civil rights. We can't pass the Equality Act right now, which would finally enshrine protections for the LGBTQ plus community in federal anti-discrimination law because of the Jim Crow filibuster.
Congressman, appreciate you speaking out on these issues, and thank you for joining me on the show this morning. I know you're going to be attending that big march in D.C. later today. Let's see if it has an impact. Congressman Mondaire Jones from New York, thank you for your time.